The next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 66, verse 11.
My Lord, build for me near you a house in paradise.
The first thing this supplication indicates is that a Muslim's ultimate goal should not be paradise and the created blessings in them. Their ultimate goal should be the closeness of Allah, the Exalted. This means a Muslim should strive in obedience to Allah, the Exalted, in order to please Him and achieve His nearness, which is much greater than any created blessing. In fact, paradise is only great because the people in it are close to Allah, the Exalted. Understanding this is an aspect of the oneness of Allah, the Exalted, meaning, a Muslim only performs acts to please Allah, the Exalted, with no dual intention, such as obtaining the blessings of paradise. Even though desiring good things such as paradise is not blameworthy, but what has been discussed is a higher level of servanthood to Allah, the Exalted. All Muslims desire a house in paradise. Therefore, they should strive hard in obtaining and beautifying this permanent house in paradise, more than their temporary house in this world. Unfortunately, in most cases, Muslims dedicate more effort and energy on beautifying their temporary home in this world over the permanent home in paradise. This is an indication of their insincerity. If a person cannot obtain a house or beautify it in this world without effort, how can a Muslim possibly expect to obtain a beautiful permanent house in paradise without sincere effort? It is truly strange how a Muslim dedicates more time and energy in obtaining and beautifying a temporary home over their eternal home in the hereafter. Obtaining and beautifying a home in the hereafter requires sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and being patient with destiny.